So me and Summer hate long intros. So we're going to try to do a really short intro, 30 seconds on the clock now.
Hey guys, it's Summer, and today I'm special host Vivi! And today we're going to be putting moldy food into slime, which basically means hashtag gross. Like, no. Oh, and by the way, are you guys entered in my iPad giveaway? All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel and comment down the description below, give me a future video idea. I'm going to tell you the winner October 21st on live stream. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hooray! So now, poor Vivi over here has to put the moldy guacamole into this actually really beautiful like yellow slime. And I love this slime color, it's like a daisy. So, go ahead.
Okay.
But it's so nice.
This is also gone back, so it's really gone back. Oh my god, that's sweater everywhere, you guys. Oh no. Okay. That looks disgusting.
That was like a big bag of guacamole.
Oh. Did you smell that?
Yep, I really did. This is called trying to avoid moldy guacamole.
I don't want to touch this. I literally don't want to touch this. I really don't. I really don't.
You're going to by accident, and you're like, hey. You already have haven't you?
It looks like barf is coming out.
Oh my god! It's like a disgusting green omelet.
I don't.
It's like that kind of omelet that wouldn't make any money.
I don't.
Business.
And it's freezing. Ew! I can't believe. Oh. Okay. It's freezing. It's freezing.
And it smells really bad.
I can't believe I'm touching barf right now. And
My thumb is
right now.
Oh,
so
why do we do this to ourselves? Why are we doing this?
Look at that.
Okay. We can move on.
Yeah, let's move on. My hands are full of guacamole. Bye. So now we are going to do the miso soup, and this looks really nasty, and just make sure that this has been in the fridge for a very long time, so we're not trying to waste any food. We're just wasting this food because it's turned really bad, and yeah, so you're going to be doing this. I feel really bad for you because
you should. You're really
and we have this beige brown slime.
It's not that, but you know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that stinks, you guys. That stinks really bad.
Oh my god.
That reminds me of the big challenge.
It stinks, yeah, it stinks. It really stinks.
Oh
it's in there.
God.
Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Oh no.
I'm putting the soup in there.
You have to put the soup in there. It's a soup, girl. Oh, you have to put every single chicken there. You will have to throw this away after this. This looks disgusting.
Okay. I know I already have it on my fingers. I can't even mix it, you guys, though. It's impossible to mix. I push down and water starts jumping out of it. Watch. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you see that?
So if you didn't know, I have the power to beam and she has the power to fly. But obviously she is not allowed to fly inside in here, so I have the power to beam. Are you excited?
Let's go. I gotta wash my hands.
Yeah, so let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Oh my god, that was just disgusting.
Yeah, it was horrible. Hashtag ew, hashtag gross, hashtag disgusting.
Want me back?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
That was
oh my god, I feel so refreshed now. My hands are all clean. So, wanna do the next one?
Yeah, sure, but first we have to clean up this mess.
Yeah, let's do the next one. So now we're gonna be putting this moldy seaweed salad into this nice, beautiful cake slime. So take it away, Vivi.
Okay, wishing you good luck.
Oh yeah, and like, oh, asking me if my iPad giveaway is international, which it actually is. And to remind you guys, all you have to do to enter my iPad giveaway is subscribe to my channel and leave me a future video idea down in the comment section below.
But now,
take the show away.
That was
disgusting. That was definitely the wrong words, but what?
Okay.
Take the show away. Oh my god.
There's even juice in it. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. No, I touch it with my hands.
This video is starting to be a bit cringy.
It smells really bad. I can feel it inside. I feel like, I felt the juice inside. No, I don't want to touch this. Oh my god. I'm not going to touch this one. This one is horrible. Oh, I touched the seaweed. No, 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 please. Oh. No, okay, I can't even talk now because
it's for the YouTubes. It's for you guys. This is what we do for you guys.
See how many things we do for you?
Can't believe it. This was a definite fail. Like never do this at home. Never do this.
Don't do this at home.
Don't consider. Don't try.
Just don't do that at home.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go watch my hands now. So now we're going to be doing the hummus, and I am not very happy about this because this is a really nice slime, and this has also been in the fridge for a pretty long time.
Yeah,
for a while now.
Okay,
and you're supposed to be doing this.
And I'm kind of sad because the slime is honestly really nice. It's like a slime wedgie you would make or something. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Hey, who's your favorite YouTuber? Leave it down in the comment section below. My favorite YouTubers are Wedgie and Arso Beauty 101. Okay, let's continue. No.
Oh no, get that thing away from me. That smells really bad.
Oh my god, it stinks. You can smell it from like a meter and a half.
I wish you guys could smell it so you could see the horribleness, if that makes sense.
Is this enough?
No, you gotta put some more in there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Oh god, no. Is that
That's so
everything?
sad.
A bit more.
Oh my god, everything to go in the past and get everything.
Okay, let's start. Oh my god, you feel the goops in the middle. You can.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, I touched it. I'm doing it.
Yeah, go.
No, I hate it, you guys.
It has chunks inside. It's disgusting.
It's not even slime anymore. Look, it's not even slime anymore. Now it's just like goo.
Oh, I just smelled it. It's horrible. Oh my god. Oh.
You could try to bring it back to life, but no, not gonna just slime.
Don't do this at home, kids. Don't.
Kids, don't try this at home. Hey guys, it's summer, and today I have a special house baby. Oopsie. And we're gonna be putting moldy food into slime. That.
I think that one was good. So me and Summer hate long intros. So we're gonna try to do a really short. So me and Summer hate long intros. So we're gonna try to do a really short intro.
We're also here. Oh, you should really enter our little weird squad. I don't know, you should put flyers up for that. You can enter. I don't know. And today on Summer Show we have Vivi.
Hello.
And we're gonna be mixing things into slime. Let's begin. Why are we so weird? Why?
Just hashtag.
How we get so weird? Hashtag
weird stuff.
Go ahead.
It's slime.
It's so nice. I don't want to ruin it.
Yeah.
This is a sad
Girl.
Looks like poop turned liquid. Legitimately, poop turned liquid. These are real fingers, people. We get mannequins and fake fingers.
You guys, it's chunky. I'm not kidding. It's chunky.
Oh my god, no, this looks like guts. Time to close my nose.
It's so nice.
It's stringy. It's like it's string. There's like.
Where was so weird?
I don't know.
Hashtag
Weird Vlog. Ah!
That's blue for you guys.
So this time we're actually both gonna do it.
Yeah.
Because it's the last one, so this is gonna be interesting. Now this actually went about 11th of September, so. And this is zucchini that's like shredded up and stuff, and we're gonna be putting it into this nice-ish blue slime, but seems to be very disgusting. Ready?
And we're gonna put everything in?
Yep, everything.
Okay. Oh! That also exploded everywhere.
Why am I coughing? Okay, you know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah, that's just the best way.
Oh.
It's like a zucchini tower. Okay, let's do it. I think like you have to put everything in there.
That's everything. That's everything.
Yeah.
That's everything,
Okay,
man.
I'll just do it because I will not. What do we do?
Just
What do
like-
we do?
Oh god, no.
No, I don't want to do this.
You got it!
Oh, juicy and it's wet. Disgusting.
So guys, this isn't even.
Are we done? Is this so everything is?
It popped!
It's freezing. I don't think everything is gonna fit in here, to be honest. Wait, it's doing something to the slime. What is it doing?
Sounds like getting.
What happened to it? It's so ugly.
It's not even foam. It's not even. Oh,
I thought it would be
and look at
a
the
crunchy
zucchini.
And they're freezing, and they stink so bad.
Okay.
Okay.
So please subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle right here.
Please like this video and click this box to see Summer's last video.
Please turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my videos, because that would be sad. Love you. Bye.